In this video, we will learn how to talk about contact details in English. We will see 4 children from different parts of the world. They will help us learn how to say a name, address, email, phone number, and age. Let's begin. Let's meet Lucia from Spain. This is Lucia Garcia. Lucia is her first name. Garcia is her last name. She is from Madrid, Spain. She is 10 years old. Her address is 12 Orange Street, Madrid 28010. 28010 is the postcode. A postcode is a number that helps find the correct place. Lucia also has an email. An email is like a letter on the internet. We use it to send and get messages online. Lucia's email is lucia.garcia10@email.com. Let's look at her email. It is called @. Repeat after me. @. It is .com. Repeat after me. .com. We say email.com. So we say lucia.garcia10@email.com. Her phone number is +34 612 345 789. Let's meet another child. Joao from Brazil. He is from South America. This is Joao Silva. Joao is his first name. Silva is his last name. Can you say which name is first and which is last? Let's say it together. Joao, first name. Silva, last name. He comes from Sao Paulo, Brazil. Sao Paulo is a big and beautiful city in Brazil. It has many people, buildings, and parks. Joao is 11 years old. His address is 45 Green Avenue, São Paulo, 04101 300. 45 Green Avenue. This is the street. São Paulo, this is the city. 04101 300 is the postcode. A postcode is a number that helps the mail go to the correct place. Joao also has an email. Joao's email is joao.silva11@mail.com. We say joao.silva11@mail.com. His phone number is +55 11 9865 4321. Let's explain. +55 is the country code for Brazil. 11 is the area code for Sao Paulo. 9865 4321 is his local number. Can you find the country code in his phone number? Yes, it's +55. Let's meet one more child, Emily from England. We will learn her name, city, email, phone number, and more. Let's get started. This is Emily Brown. Emily is her first name. Brown is her last name. What is the first name? Yes, Emily. And the last name? Brown. Good job. She is from Manchester, England. Manchester is a city in the north of England. It is famous for music and football. Emily is 12 years old. Her address is 7 Rose Lane, Manchester, M139PL. M139PL is the postcode. Postcodes in England have letters and numbers. Emily also has an email. Emily's email is emily.brown9@ukmail.com. Let's say it one more time. emily.brown9@ukmail.com. Her phone number is +44 7700 901 123. +44 is the country code for the United Kingdom. 7700 is part of her mobile number. 901 123 is the rest of the number. The fourth child is Liam from Australia. He is from a country far away. We will find out his contact details and practice new words. Ready? Let's go! This is Liam Wilson. Can you say which name is first and which is last? That's right. Liam is the first name, Wilson is the last name. He lives in Sydney, Australia. What do you think? Is Sydney a street or a city? That's right. Sydney is a city. Sydney is a big city near the ocean. It has tall buildings, beaches, and the famous Opera House. How old do you think Liam is? Liam is 8 years old. He is the youngest of all the children. I'll say it. You tell me what it is. 88 Blue Street, Sydney, NSW 2000. What do you think? Is that a name, an email, or an address? It's an address. Now you have seen 4 different children and their contact details. Can you say your name, address, email, phone number, and age in English? Try it at home or with a friend. See you next time.